Good Monday morning. Thanks for checking in again. We're going to take a quick look at what I've been talking about on the weekend, which is the possible mischief somewhere along the East Coast for Halloween weekend. I can tell you one thing, and this is the consensus is there. It's going to get very cold Halloween weekend. Temperatures in the upper 30s and highs in the upper 40s in some places further south and east. But you're really going to notice the first taste of true Arctic air. It is going to be short-lived, however, and by the following week, warm air returns into the pattern. But let's take a look at a potential storm system that's going to develop on Halloween. Now, right now, a lot of different scenarios, but the consensus seems to be that it's going to affect the northeastern part of the country, which would be more of New England, with some rain and snow in the mountains, and New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Delaware areas. We will see more shower activity. And let me show you why, and let me also show you what would have to change to turn this into more of a significant storm, which it was looking like earlier this weekend, and I was jumping on it because the ensembles, which is the model tested for error, basically, were agreeing. But there's been a little bit of a flip, and I'm not going to put my final ideas out probably until tomorrow night on what I think is going to finally happen. So I'll put one of my finalized forecasts out. But for now, let me show you guys what's going on. So basically, right now, turn your eyes here to the Northeast Pacific. We have right here, this is the remnants of Tropical Storm Anna. And what this is going to do is this is going to feed right into the jet stream and then follow the jet stream down south like this and then go out. We're also going to have some Arctic air from the north here dive down just in time for Halloween weekend and try to redevelop some sort of a low pressure center off the coast. So let me show you how that evolves over the next couple days. Okay, so take note of this little system here. This is going to basically, again, it's right here now. It's going to ride the jet stream down, and notice here comes our Arctic disturbance to the north as well. So this starts to rise this jet stream down. And here's the problem right here. So if you take a look at what we're looking at, so you can see we have clearly defined one disturbance here and another disturbance here. But notice the tilt of this is positive. Okay, so when it's positive, it means the flow is more progressive, which means the storm's likely to go out to sea. The only thing I would have to change here is that this digs a little deeper and this turns into more of a negatively tilted trough. Then you have this storm catching up to this storm, and we form a low pressure center somewhere here, and it goes up like that. Not shown on the models right now. The only model that shows that is actually the British model, but I'm not going to show that right now because I don't think that's actually, from the data I'm seeing, it's not a likely scenario at this point, but I just want you guys to know it's possible. But let's take a look here what happens. So basically, this storm system then basically develops a low over New England, okay, and it actually throws snow back into the New England area. So all this is snow right here, okay. So the mountains and Sugar Bush, Stowe, the White Mountains, New Hampshire, they're gonna get several inches of snow, and all this through New York, Syracuse, and you're gonna see snow showers from this. Let me actually take you through the progression of the developing low, so you can see here goes our little disturbance out to sea because of that positively tilted trough, but here comes the Clipper system right behind it, snow showers. So do not be surprised if by the time we get to say Saturday morning, you see some snowflakes flying in a lot of the areas, including New Jersey, Pennsylvania. It's very possible. Not an accumulating snow. I don't see it this time, but snowflakes, we could see the first flakes of the season, which I think is pretty exciting. But here comes the low pressure center. It develops. You can see it focuses more in New England here. And right now, I'm not going to really say what I think is going to happen. I just want to show you the possibilities, but all the models are pointing towards this scenario right now. And again, that other system is trailing out to the south because it's not phasing. It's not, if you back to this map, it's not phasing with this system to the north. So we'll keep an eye on it. Real quick here, the temperatures, very, very cold. You can see right here, see temperatures here, anything in the lighter blues is 40s and now 30s, 32 or below in the pink. So very cold. You guys are definitely going to notice it for Saturday and Friday night and Sunday. And it snaps back to warm. So keep checking in. I'll put a finalized forecast out for the weekend sometime tomorrow night.